The key fob not detected error on your Jeep means the vehicle's immobilizer can't recognize your key fob, preventing it from starting. This is often due to a dead fob battery, signal interference, or a faulty radio frequency hub. For a temporary fix, use the push start override. Insert the key fob into the designated slot near the start button and press to start. Check for interference from metal objects or other electronic devices that may be blocking the signal. Understanding this will help you get your Jeep started in a pinch. For a lasting solution, start by replacing the key fob's CR2032 battery. Ensure correct polarity when installing the new battery. This addresses the most common cause of the error. If battery replacement doesn't work, try an RF hub reset. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect it. This can reset the RF hub and clear any temporary glitches. If problems persist, the RF hub might be faulty and require professional diagnosis or reprogramming at a dealership. Stellantis has issued software updates and recalls to address RF hub issues, so check if your vehicle is eligible. In some cases, a full fob and module sync is required, which can only be done by a dealer.